Today we're adding oil to our 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's a Loretto that takes 5W30. There's sometimes, people don't may not know how to locate the oil cap, and sometimes it gets stuck. Because I know mine did, but there's a way to get it unstuck and to add some more oil. I already checked. I pulled out the dipstick, so I'm just gonna add some more because I need it. So yeah. Yeah, car's dirty. Just pull the lever. I have this glove for protection against my hands. So yeah, it may get stuck like this. With this glove helps with the grip. It pops right off. Gonna need some more. On a side note, the coolant overflow tank, mine, it moves around, so that happens. I put a little bolt there just so that way it won't slide off for any reason. I don't know why it does that, but yeah, I keep it topped off. But yeah, that's just how to get this cap off. Sometimes it gets stuck on these Jeeps. Replace it, and you're good to go. And yeah, I had the problem. I thought someone else did. I'm just saying, helping someone else in the future. Yeah. But yeah, give the video a thumbs up and like, comment, subscribe if it helped you.